Happy Sunday, guys, and good morning. Welcome to another Adventures of Greg Thomas Vlogs. To all of you new to this channel for the first time, welcome, and I hope you all enjoy a wonderful experience. My name is Gregory Thomas II, but you can call me Greg. It's a lot shorter. And now that we got the introductions out of the way, let's get started. Today, I'm going to go to New Bethel Baptist Church to serve as its camera operator once again. As I said before, guys, I like working as camera operator. You know what I like being behind the camera? It's like telling a story. Yeah. So, without further ado, guys, let's head to New Bethel. Okay guys, so I just made my way to New Bethel Baptist Church. Right now I am in the sanctuary, and as you can see, not much is happening in here at the very moment. I am just taking a stroll around it. Taking a stroll around the sanctuary and just exploring. Alright, so I'm gonna get started by turning on everything that we need, from the camera to the monitors, and hopefully the lights, if I can get that this time. Still having a little trouble with that. So I'll see you all in a little bit. Okay guys, so I just got finished turning on everything that we need, from the camera and the monitors. I'm still trying to figure out about those lights though. The UV lights, I mean. They're not easy to figure out, but I'll figure it out sooner or later. Right, so right now I am in the sanctuary right behind the AV desk, where my team, the AV ministry, runs operations. I really like working with the AV ministry, not just for the AV audio-visual stuff, but I like working with the people. Yeah. And also camera operating is always good. Alright, so I'm going to stick around here for a little while and just relax until first service starts. But hang around guys and see how the whole adventure goes. Alright guys, so as we are waiting for first service to start, let's go to the first service without getting some refreshments. And as you can see, this is definitely an interesting spread, developed by our two great chefs. I'll tell you one thing guys, about the Baptist Church it still surprises me. Alright, so I'm gonna head back upstairs and wait for a little while until first service starts. But stick around and see how the whole adventure goes. Alright guys, we are about to start first service. Right now I am on camera and going into preparation to begin the first service. So I'll see you all afterwards. Okay guys, so we just got finished with first service. Right now I am just sitting here right in the sanctuary after working the camera for 2 hours. One small downside to it is your feet hurt. But other than that, you're good. I'm good. So I'm gonna stick around here for a little while, but stick around guys and see how the whole adventure goes. Okay guys, so while we're waiting for the second service to start, right now I'm just hanging with my brothers here. We're doing a whole lot here, y'all, and just stick with us guys. Alright guys, I want you all to pray for a friend of mine, and she is Well, why don't you tell them?
Well, I'm on my way to Philly to take the campaign position for presidential candidate. So send me all your prayers and love, and I love New Bethel.
Absolutely. So guys, give her all your prayers, and I hope the best is yet to come. Okay guys, so we are about to start the second service. Right now I am here on camera. And we are about to start. So I'll see you all afterwards. Okay guys, so we just got finished with second service. Right now I am sitting right next to the camera after running it for another 2 hours. Right now I'm just sitting down, just taking a breath before I head out. It was a really great service. I really enjoyed it. Alright, so I'm about to head out. Let's stick around guys and see how the whole adventure goes. Once again guys, that was a very successful day at New Bethel Baptist Church. Not only working as a camera operator, but also spending some time with my friends. I really enjoy going to New Bethel. Not only was it a place of my childhood, but I feel like it's like home to me. And it always will be. So guys, I just want to say thank you for joining me on another adventure. I hope you all have a wonderful week, as well as a wonderful weekend. If you like this video, go on down below and click on that like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, click on that subscribe button, and we'll get started. So until next time guys, remember, imagination, memories, forever on film. So until then guys, have a nice day.